Happy Monday! I hope everybody's doing great today and it's sunny on your end of the world.
Mondays are busy for us. It's the first day of the week for JP work-wise, but due to the pandemic at least, the possibility of working from home is almost normal nowadays.
It's almost 3 o'clock, guys.
Jens wakes up as usual around 6 or 6:30, so as a mom, no matter how much you want to stay in bed and laze around, is almost impossible.
It rained the whole morning, guys, and we were supposed to get Play-Doh at Crowdvat today. So Jens was like, Mama, can we get Play-Doh now? And I said, well, baby, it's raining. So, so he said, no Play-Doh. I said, no, we'll have to wait.
He goes to kindergarten though for 3 hours, so in those 3 hours is my time to relax and work on my editing if there is any for this YouTube channel.
That's for Karen. Hello. Play-Doh. What's the
Kaka is here, okay.
Speaking of YouTube channel, it's funny when you don't have a job and people ask you, what do you do now? And you kind of say, I'm a YouTuber, a vlogger, and people will look at you and say, is that even a thing?
It's a ring.
Isn't that a hobby?
I'm a kid.
Yeah, throw the Mensa, huh?
Run, Mama.
Run. Okay, I'm gonna go faster.
The acceptance of it being a full-time job is not really recognized yet, unless you belong to the YouTube community yourself. Even my own husband is skeptic about it. He still supports though, but that's because he does not have a choice.
Boho. That's a boho? It is more, yeah?
Anyhow, trying new things is always risky. But we will never know how far we can go unless we try.
It's so windy, guys. No.
Oh, wegwind.
Wegwind? Oh.
Wegwind.
Now, it's not gonna go away. All of it are in bloom now. Wow. Oh yeah, we're gonna... Okay guys, we're gonna first get some Play-Doh. Because you can't really tell them you're gonna get some Play-Doh and you end up not doing anything. So they keep on pushing. So it's better not to say. Oh, okay. You want some Play-Doh?
Rice is old.
Rice is off? You want off rice? Okay. Rice is off. Yeah, because Mama eats the rice as well. It's supposed to be for Jens only, not for Mama. Mama's supposed to be on a diet. Bubble, it's okay. Go get the bubble. Okay, you don't want some bubble, okay. Yeah. Taste is good. Hello. Een hoorntje met 2 bolletjes. Welke baby?
Strawberry.
Okay, strawberry and...
Strawberry.
alleen strawberry. So, 2 hoorntjes. 1 strawberry and 1 van die cookie dough. Ja.
Strawberry.
Oh, niet voor die option.
Even strawberry.
Okay.
You.
Lekker. Lekker?
Mm.
Yes, for mom. And cookie dough for mama. He wanted to stay. He wanted to sit down in the park, guys. But there are a lot of kids, and just to avoid, you know. Good thing he understood. Okay, we go.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Lekker?
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend
Look at that, baby.
for sure.